What up, YouTube? It's Zebrov coming at you with another review. Um, I'm a little disappointed this morning because right now, like maybe like 10 minutes ago, I checked on my phone, on my email to see that I have my packages waiting out in front. They were sitting out in the snow for like 30 minutes. Anyways, I go out there and I notice one of the boxes, well, both boxes were basically ransacked, like somebody was trying to see what was inside. The other one is way worse. No damages to the box, but just the outer box, the packaging box was super damaged, like they were trying to see what was inside. And this one, you can see that they actually damaged it. I don't know if that was the FedEx guy or if it was somebody trying to steal it, but as you can see, it's super damaged. I haven't even opened this one yet. I opened the other one because it was already open. Literally just the lid of the box, not this, I'm talking about the packaging, was all ripped. And I'm really pissed off that, I don't know. I'm not saying it was the FedEx guy, maybe it was somebody passing by, but nonetheless, it's still a messed up situation. Anyways, let's get into it. I don't even know how to open this box. Let's see. How do I open this bullshit? I don't even need that. As y'all know, this decreases the value. Very disappointed. Very disappointed. Alright, well, at least the shoes are not damaged. Alright, let me take my gloves off, y'all. What y'all think? This is the Air Raid, Nike Air Raid. Peace, aka live together, play together. Or they're also called the Jungle or Amazon. I forgot, but they have like 3 different nicknames for these shoes. What the hell is that? Oh, okay. Thought it was a scuff. It was just paper. Check out the bottom. Yeah, the quality is A1. Look at that. Got the Nubuck or Durabuck. Oh, nope. I see a little stain right there. I don't know if y'all see that right there. Right there. Y'all see that? Damn. Man. Sometimes it sucks to have OCD. Because I notice little things like that right off the bat. Like that right there. Glue stain. Y'all see that? It's a glue stain. You can even see the little glue thread. Oh, came off, but I know it's still there. But anyways, what else? What else do I see that's wrong with these? Before I go any further, another glue stain. Damn, look at that. Y'all see that? Glue. What else? Another glue stain right here. Look at that. Yep. They both came from Sneakers app. Alright, let's look at the other shoe. I'm also expecting another package any minute from UPS. I'm getting the Jubilees in. Little tiny little specks of glue stains. None too big. What else? What else? What else? Yep, there's really nothing wrong with this side. Nothing that jumps out at me. Nope. They look fine. What else should I show? The inside. Got the inside. Alright, that's one pair. Now let's look at the other ones. These also nice and crisp. Yep. This one has no glue stains. Maybe just a little speck, but nothing too big. Inside. Let's look at the other shoe. And I love this Durabuck, this gray Durabuck. Yeah, man, these are super comfortable. I love these shoes, man. I wear these shoes in the winter, man. These are great for winter. Yeah, from what I know, the outsoles are super thick, super thick. That's why my old pair that I have. Let me pull out my old pair for a comparison. I got these at Marshalls. They didn't come with the box, but they were nice and clean, and they were going for 30-40 bucks. Yeah, these are my old pair. Yeah, you can tell they're used, but I took care of these babies. There's a few little, I think there's a few little scuffs on here, but you can't even notice it. Look at that. Look at the bottom. That's the bottom. Yep. That's the bottom. Got some shoe trees in there. Yep, these are my old pair. I'm trying to, my battery's low, so the stupid my flash ran out. Let me put them next to the light, maybe you can see them better here. Yeah, these are my old, these are the new ones. Old, new. I think they came out in 2016, these right here. Yeah, you could definitely tell that I wore these in the snow. Yeah. Yeah, but they still good. They still holding up. Still holding up. But yep, that's about it, y'all. Ain't nothing more to talk about. They're both the same size. I think the left one looks a little taller. Yeah, it is a little taller. These are a little taller. But yeah, that's about it, y'all. Zebrov signing off. Peace out.